A story by Suzuki Roshi. Once upon a time, a professor went to a Zen master. He asked him to explain the meaning of Zen. The master quietly poured a cup of tea. The cup was full, but he continued to pour. The professor could not stand this any longer, so he questioned the master impatiently. "Why do you keep pouring when the cup is full?" "I want to point out to you," the master said, "that you are similarly attempting to understand Zen while your mind is full. First, empty your mind of preconceptions before you attempt to understand Zen. If your mind is empty, it is always ready for anything. It is open to everything. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few. You see, in life, in your life, we all are full of preconceptions all the time. We are constantly judging and trying to relate things, actions, disasters to one another. But this is wrong. Our mind must be empty. We should not have any preconceptions, and we should take every event, every word, every feeling as what it is. Keep an empty mind, and your heart will be always full. This is Dare to Do Motivation Stories. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed.